Isabel!
Thank God you're here.
What's troubling you?
I don't know, home stuff.
Talk to me.
Well, my parents are fighting again. Not that that's surprising.
Have you tried talking to them?
Why would I? As long as you're here, it's not happening.
Are you sure it's a good idea to think of it like that? You should talk to them.
I don't need to. Nothing about them matters when I'm here.
You shouldn't talk like that. They're your parents.
So? Sophomore year is gonna suck. I just wish everything could go back to the way it was, you know?
You don't want to stay here forever.
Yeah, I do. I should probably get home before my parents forget to notice I'm gone. Flora? Flora? Flora?
Yes?
About time. I was waiting for you.
Why?
Because I wanted to talk.
You know there's other people you can
I
talk
want
to
to talk
besides
to you.
people who aren't me, Isabel.
Why would I talk to them?
Because I'm not always going to be here for you to talk to.
Are you kidding me? Why not?
When's the last time you talked to your parents? Like, really talk to them?
Not this again.
Isabel.
I'm done talking about this. How have you been?
Fine.
Do you want to know how I've been?
Sure.
I'm great.
That's great.
Hello? Is anyone there?
Don't worry, I'm listening.
Do you want to talk about anything?
Whatever you want.
Do you have anything to say?
I really don't care.
Got it. I missed you.
I missed you too.
God, it was Monday. It makes a difference. It does. If it does difference, go ahead. It doesn't make a difference. One's gonna win. It doesn't matter. Everyone is my favorite football player, so it makes a difference. It does. If it does difference, go ahead. Yes.
Flora! Flora, where are you? Get out here and talk to me!
Yes?
Yes? That's it?
Why are you here?
What is your issue? What do you want from me?
I don't want anything.
Why are you acting like this?
What am I acting like?
Like you're not even here! Like you don't want to talk to me, and you don't want to be here, you don't care about me anymore. Come on, Flora, look at me!
We can't be friends anymore. What? You can't keep coming here. You can't keep talking to me.
No.
You've got to talk to your parents.
No!
You've got to forget about me.
Shut up!
Isabel!
Stop talking!
You've got to let me go.
Why?
Because every time you come here, the real world stops.
What's so bad about that?
You're never going to leave. You'll keep pretending that the things that are hurting you aren't happening. And God, Isabel, it's killing you. When is the last time you talked to your parents?
I don't know. I don't know, and I don't want to. They don't even notice I'm gone.
Do you want them to?
Yeah. Every time they fight, I get hurt. I just want them to look at me.
You've got to talk to them.
I'm scared.
That's okay. Tell them that.
I just don't want them to hate me and disappear. I don't want to break everything.
You're gonna have to risk it. You can't keep hiding here. I'm holding you back.
I gotta let you go?
Yeah.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
I gotta go. I gotta go talk to my parents.
I know.
Cream melty? Your fault.
I just wanted pistachio, alright?
Okay, well, it sucks for you because they only had vanilla, so I don't understand what
I
you want me to do.
don't like vanilla!
It's not my fault that they don't have pistachio.
I'm so secretary wanted
So
my own.
sure.
Yeah,
What's her name, huh? Why don't you just tell
Sally, okay? Her name is Sally.
Oh, okay.
Hey.
Just because it's different teams, it doesn't make a difference. One's gonna lose, one's gonna win. It doesn't matter.
Well, you know, Tiger Woods is my favorite football player, okay? I was not missing that game.
Well, that sucks.
Alright, quiet on set! Camera is rolling! Action!
Isabel.
Please wait 3 seconds after action!
No! You've gotta talk to your parents.
No!
You've gotta let me go! Shut up! Isabel, stop talking!
Quiet! Camera's rolling! Action!
So? I should probably get home before my parents forget tonight
Cut!
I'm gone. Hello? Is anyone?